Good morning children. This video is for class 1 students and the subject is computer. This is my 6th video. That's why I have written here part 6. Today's date is 30th June 2020. Okay. Now in last video, in part 5 video, we have started lesson number 3 and we have learned about some important parts of our computer. Now in this video I am going to explain you about some more parts of our computer. First of all, you open your computer book, page number 18. In this page you can see the next part of our computer system is CPU. I am a CPU. CPU is just look like this picture, and here you can see in this CPU the big circle, this big button, round button, it is known as a power button. So when you want to switch on the computer, you have to just press this power button. Okay, your computer is going to be switched on. Now the full form of CPU. CPU. C for central, P for processing, and U for unit. So the full form of CPU is central processing unit. I am the brain of a computer. CPU is also known as the brain of computer system, and as we know that just same as in our body, in our human body, brain is the most important part of our body and it is responsible for all our activity. The same thing is here. CPU is also known as the brain of the computer system and it is responsible for all the activity of computer system. I can help you to add and subtract numbers. What can CPU do? CPU help you to add and subtract numbers. Whatever calculation you want to do with the help of computer, you have to type all those things with the help of keyboard. Suppose you want to add two numbers, so you have to type those two numbers in keyboard, and when after typing that in keyboard, the CPU start doing the calculation, and after the calculation it will show the result on monitor. So CPU help you to add and subtract numbers. Once again I am going to repeat. The full form of CPU is central processing unit. C for central, P for processing, and U for unit. I am the brain of a computer. CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. It can help you to add and subtract numbers. So CPU is more helpful, or CPU helps you to doing the calculation in computer system. In the next page you can see in page number 19 the next part of our computer system. I am a UPS. What is UPS? So first of all, the full form of UPS. U stands for uninterrupted, P stands for power, and S stands for supply. So full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. I am a UPS. I can supply uninterrupted power. Uninterrupted power, that means sometimes what happen when we are doing some work in our computer and current is going to be cut. That time UPS is available there for supplying the power to our computer, so that we can save our work, we can complete and close it, and then after we can switch off the computer properly. Okay, so what is the work done by the UPS? UPS supply uninterrupted power to our computer. The next part of our computer system is printer. I am a printer. What is the work of printer? It can print. I can help you to print on a paper. Suppose you have typed something in your computer, or you have drawn something, you have drawn a picture in your computer. You want to take a print of that particular picture. So for that you have to attach this printer to your computer system, and you can take the print of that picture by using the printer on a paper. So what printer is doing? Printer can print the picture or written things, or whatever you want to take print on a paper, it can do that. The next part of our computer system is this one, scanner. Scanner. I am a scanner. So it is the another part of our computer system. What is the work of this scanner? I can help you to scan the contents of a paper. What are written here in the paper, these things can be scanned with the help of scanner. The next part is speaker. I am a speaker. All of you know what is the work of a speaker. Yes, you know that it can play music by producing the sound. Okay, so speaker is also a important part of our computer system. So these are the different parts of our computer system. From beginning I am going to explain you what are the different parts of our computer system. The first one we have learned, I am a monitor. Okay, so monitor is just look like a TV. It can display the result. So it is the most important part of our computer system. The next part is in the next page given, page number 16. It is a mouse. I am a mouse. It can help you to draw the picture. Mouse is having two buttons, left button and right button. One scroll wheel is also here, which is used to scroll the page on the monitor. So mouse is helpful for drawing the picture or moving the cursor on our screen. The next part of our computer system is keyboard. This is our keyboard. Keyboard is having so many keys, alphabetical keys, number keys, some special keys are also there, enter keys, backspace keys, delete keys, caps lock, shift, control, alt, so many keys are there, and each and every keys are having specific work. I have buttons of alphabets, numbers and other signs. My buttons are known as keys. So these buttons are called keys. So what is the work of keyboard? Keyboard is used to type something. Either it is alphabet or it can be number. The next part of our computer system is CPU. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer and it can help to add and subtract numbers. The next part of our computer system is an UPS. The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It can supply uninterrupted power to our computer. The next part is a printer. It can help you to print on a paper. If you want to take print of anything, whatever you have written or whatever you have drawn on your computer, you want to take a print on a paper, then you have to attach this printer to your computer system. The next part of our computer system is the scanner. It can help you to scan the contents of a paper. The another part is I am a speaker. I can play music by producing the sound. So these are the different important parts of our computer system. I try to show you, I'm going to show you the actual look of these parts which we have learned today. The CPU, the UPS, the printer, the scanner, or the speaker. Okay, so let's see how they are, how these parts of computer looks. Okay, this is our CPU. Okay, it looks like you can see that it is our CPU. Its power button is here. Okay, its power button is here. When we press on this power button, it is ready to switch on the computer. Then the next one is, we have learned, that is the UPS. So UPS is not available here. We are not using that UPS. Then next part of our computer system we have learned, that is the printer. So it is the printer. If you can see on the screen, it is the printer come scanner. It is my printer, and here it is a scanner. So it can scan. If you look at here, then it is a scanner come printer. So if whatever things you want to scan, then you have to put it here, the paper which you want to scan. You have to just close it, and then after switch on this one, you can scan something. This also works as a printer. For printing something, you have to put a paper here, and then you can take the printout from here. So this is printer. Okay, from the beginning I have shown you that this is our monitor. Okay, this one, if you can see, that it is our keyboard. Then this is our mouse, this is our CPU, this is our printer come scanner. So these are the different parts of our computer system which I have explained today, and that's all for today's class. In next class we will meet with the next topic, and thank you and have a nice day.